Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to start with the name and explain chart. And if you look at the top of the page, it says step 1, start at the bottom of the poem and scan over the lines backwards. Well, I'm going to tell you the real step 1 is to write your name at the top of your paper. I'm going to do it, and I want you to do it too. Okay? So write your name at the top of the paper and put your class period. And that way, your teacher won't lose your paper. Okay. So if you've written your name, now we're going to do the other step 1. Okay, so step 1, start at the bottom of the poem and scan over the lines backwards. Highlight or underline words that you do not understand. Before you read the poem from start to finish, work with your teacher in class to develop working definitions of the words your class chose. So you're probably thinking, wait a minute, we haven't even read the poem yet. True, you haven't. But when you read the poem from start to finish, you're going to think that you understand some of the words that you actually don't understand. But when you start at the bottom and go to the top, you're reading the words out of context, so you're more likely to find the words that you don't know. So I'm going to choose a couple of words and show you how to look them up in the dictionary, and then you're going to work with your teacher to look up the words that you don't understand. I'm just going to choose a couple. I'm going to choose starlings, and I'm going to choose garbled. And you will be able to look up all the words that you don't know. Your teacher will give you time to do that, but I'm just going to choose those two. So I'm going to use my handy dandy dictionary. And the thing you need to know about the dictionary is that at the top of the page there are words, and they tell from what word to what word is on a page. So I can look here and know that the words on this page are between these two things. So C-O-R, C-O-R. But I am looking for garbled. That's my first word. And so that starts with a G. So G comes after E, G comes after F. Oh, it's going to be before this though, because this is G-O and garbled starts with a G-A. So I'm going to go back a little bit. G-E, G-A, but that's G-A-T. So I need to go back a little more. Here we go. Garlic salt. Oh, there's garbage man, garble. It says to change or twist the meaning or sound of. Okay, and then I'm just going to write right on here to change the meaning or sound. I just put kind of a shorter definition to remind myself. The next word I wanted to look up was starlings. Let's see what starling means. Oh, I should put the dictionary up so you can see what I'm doing. I'm at raccoon and race and radiation and record, and I need to go S, but that's SC. I need to get to ST. Dang, a lot of S words, huh? Okay, STE. I need STA. Okay, here we go. I'm on the right page now. So here it is, a starling. Any of a family of usually dark-colored birds that tend to flock together, especially a dark brown or in summer glossy greenish black European bird that is brought to the U.S. and often is considered a pest. So I'm going to say birds that stick together, and they're a pest. Okay. Birds stick together, pest. Okay. So I looked up two words that I didn't know in the dictionary, and now it's your turn to look at the words from bottom to top and see if you find any that you need to look up, and then you look them up in the dictionary and annotate your paper the same way that I did.